Yo guys, what's going on? It's Venom here. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the new original Xbox dynamic background. This is only for the Series S and X. I did forget to mention that in my last video and people were wondering if it was on the Xbox One. This is not on the Xbox One. And also what the original background looks like will be on the screen right now. Unfortunately you can't change it with like your profile color. It's always green no matter what your color is. Like at the minute mine's blue. So yeah, get straight on into the video. What you want to do is press Y whilst on like the home screen and just type in Insider. This is like a program which is for like insiders for Xbox, where you can get updates like early and that. Also guys, if you can subscribe, it will help me out massively. Also I want to say thank you for 900 subs, 100 away from 1,000, which will be like amazing. Honestly guys, it's amazing. So continuing, what you want to do is you want to scroll down to previews and you've got all these. So these are what I've joined: the tabs, the T and the update, and so you should have the Xbox update preview. It'll be on under available, not under joined, because I've already joined it. So what you want to do is you want to click join here where it says manage for me. Some people couldn't find it. I don't know why it wasn't showing up, but yeah, and bear in mind guys, it does take a few it could take a few days for you to get accepted into it. Sometimes it will be a minute, sometimes it can be a day, just completely depending on like the service at Microsoft, I'm guessing. I don't know, to be honest, but yeah, so you might have to wait a while. I did forget to mention that in my last video, and some people were wondering why they like couldn't get it to work. So what you want to do, once you've joined, you want to click manage as well, and you want to make sure you're in Xbox Update Preview Beta, not Delta, not Omega. You want Beta. This is where literally you get every update. Like you get like 2 updates a week, and so like if you leave your Xbox on standby, it should be pretty cool to go. Like it should be fine to go. Like it will update overnight or something by itself. But if you like turn it off at the plug, for example, every time you log in you'll probably have to do an update pretty regular, which can be very annoying. So yeah, just bear that in mind. And also it does say users may encounter bugs. To be honest, I don't, like full on, I really don't. And yeah, so you just want to make sure you're in the beta and click save. So I'm in beta, and what you want to do, you want to go onto your settings, scroll down to system, and what you want to do is click updates, and where it says checking for no console update available now, you just want to click update so you can get this background which you have joined. If it is not there, restart your Xbox a few times, leave it off for like a few minutes as well, then like turn it back on. So then your Xbox will update and you can get the background. And to apply the background, you want to go back on settings and general personalization, my background, and then you want to scroll down to dynamic backgrounds, and it's right at the end, the original. As I said guys, it only comes in green. Like as you can see, mine's only blue. Well, my accent color is blue and it's only green. It's very high definition as well. Like it seems really nice quality compared to the original as well, and it's really nice actually. It's pretty cool. I just wish you could change the color, that would have been cool. I might stick with the moats or the ribbons. I really like the ribbons, but the moats, it's nice as well. But yeah, I've been sticking with that because it's exclusive pretty much. So yeah, I'm not gonna have the original. I'm not fussed on the color green, to be honest guys. I'll go back to the moats. I've been enjoying that actually. So yeah guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. If it helps you out, please leave a like, share my channel around so I can hit 1k subs, and if you're not already, subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one in a bit.